SolidWorks has many pre-made cuts you can use when designing sheet metal parts. You can find these cuts in the Design Library section of the task pane. You'll find a folder called Features and a subfolder called Sheet Metal. As with anything from the Design Library, all I have to do is drag it onto the part. As soon as I take my finger off the mouse, the property manager for this feature appears. You can use the Edit Sketch button to further define the location of the cut. And you can click the Override Dimension value to change the size of the cut. Once you've made the changes you need, click OK, and the feature is added. Using the Design Library is useful for any type of design, but it's especially useful in sheet metal design, where the same cuts are constantly repeated. For instance, if you design computer cases, you likely will have to create standard cutouts for USB or Ethernet connectors.